computer system seems like a giant puzzle, this person can fit the pieces together. Today, we meet the information systems professional. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Viviana.
Hi, Viviana. I'm Walter Anderson. Welcome
Nice
to
to
ITC
meet you.
Computers. An information systems professional is somebody who works with software and hardware and wiring and infrastructure, does consulting, will make recommendations to decision makers about what it is that they need to change to improve their network infrastructure. It could be computers, performance, or it could be the latest technologies. Put that all together, make it easy for anybody to use, make it safe and secure, and protect the information from any risks. Many of the projects we do for businesses are required that we come in 9 to 5. That's where most of the productivity happens in the day. However, you have to be prepared to work long hours, evenings and weekends sometimes. Most of our work today, almost 90% of it can be done remotely. What that means is we can manage your information technology and your computer systems from anywhere, from our network operations center or in our office. I connect to about 1,000 systems. We can manage the firewalls, we can manage your screen. So if you're on your computer and there's an error or a printing problem, for example, you call us and within seconds, we're sharing your screen, fixing your problem, and you're back to work again in no time at all. Here, for example, we're monitoring 782 computers.
Wow.
I just received a text message on my phone that we've got an email problem. So over here, I've got their mail flow showing here. I'm going to just pause their email. This is going to allow us to quickly then jump into their mail server. Sometimes it's spam related. It could be internet service provider.
So you really have to think on the fly and solve problems quickly and creatively.
Absolutely. Today, networks, or an address of networks, are built on what we call IP addresses. Being able to calculate quickly the network addresses, knowing how the addressing works is important so that every computer that you work and touch on is able to communicate with the rest of the world. A lot of the work that we do happens in small, contained closets and spaces. This is where the sort of the heart of the network infrastructure is, where all of the internet and firewalls and switches and cables come in place. And today we're going to replace a switch and a security appliance, which is going to improve the performance of the network. In order to communicate effectively in this industry, you need to speak to people who may not have that level of technical knowledge so that you can explain to them in relatively simple and easy to understand terms what needs to be done.
So this looks pretty organized to me.
It is, but it can be far better. And that's one of the services that we offer, which is going to allow us to label things, maybe tighten up the wiring, clean things up a little bit, remove some old equipment, add the new stuff. Overall, it'll look more professional and we'll get better results when it comes to troubleshooting problems. The education that you need is definitely a Bachelor of Science degree in computer science or some professional diploma or certificate. Well, that 2-year diploma is going to get you out in the field quicker than a 4-year Bachelor of Science degree. The 4-year Bachelor of Science is a good foundation to have if you're going for the information systems analyst, the manager of information systems position. You want to work in a big corporate environment or work for the government, but looking for somebody who has a university degree. It takes a lot of experience to get there, a lot of time and effort and education, but if you're willing to put the time in, you're going to be able to achieve those goals. You get to work with all the latest technology and all the cool gadgets, and you get to be the first one to do all this stuff. But some of the most rewarding and gratifying parts of this job is the look on the customer's face when you've solved their problem and they say, thank you very much for fixing our problems. And they're really grateful. And that's the satisfaction you get from doing a good job. But all the cool gadgets are really cool too, and we like those.
Walter, thank you so much for teaching me about computer solutions.
It's been a real pleasure. Thank you for coming by, and I hope you learned a lot.
I did. Once again, this is Career Check, and I'm Viviana reminding you that this career could be yours. See you next time.